Hey guys, see what's up here, back with another video, and today we finally, after years of begging my parents, years of trying to get a bird, we finally got one. It's a Genday Conure. He knows how to step up onto your hand. I'll show you some of that later. Yeah, it is just super nice. Look at the colors on it. It's just super nice. Yeah, I really love this bird, and yeah, when we walked into the pet store, I saw all the other birds. I was looking at them, and when I caught my eye on this one, I could not get my eye off it. My parents agreed to get it, and I was like, oh God, thank you. And then right as we were about to ask it, another lady started looking at it, and I just crossed my fingers that she would pass it. She did. The worker came over, and then we got this, and then now we like each other, hopefully. So yeah, we don't know what to name it. We don't know if it's a boy or girl, because they have to make them bleed, then get a blood sample, and then test it and all that. So yeah, we don't know if it's a boy or a girl. I was thinking about a Greek god name like Poseidon or Zeus or Hades or Cupid or whatever. Just, we got a bird, that's all that matters. And yeah, next clip.
Aggressive and bitey that they're really big cake if they don't know any better. And he's already learned.
Its name is Midas. Do you like your new home, buddy?
It's meant for music. So
Do you like your new home?
and put YouTube on there and stuff.
As you can see, his new home is finally here. Midas. We named it Midas because it has gold on its head. So, its new cage.
What?
And we put a newspaper of Trump up here, so he'll poop on Trump's face. So I changed the name. We're gonna call it Sunny because, it's red and yellow, right, Sunny? I think you like the name Sunny better. So, yeah. I hope you like your new home here, Sunny. Wanna say hi to the camera? He started eating, guys.